played in conference na unlimited yung height ng import, meron talagang maaapektuhan. And since big ang nilalaro ng kanilang import in the previous conference, ito yung tinamaan, si Laput, hindi masyadong ganya. Tapos si Abueva, nandun pa, papasok na.
Oh, a foul in the finish for Xavier Lucero.
Oh, sensational athleticism shown there by Xavier Lucero. The way they're pushing that ball, the way he was able to finish.
Lee, back to Lucero. Puts it up again. Oh, but they're... Oh, they count the basket. They'll gather na raw. Pinag-usapan pa momentarily. Assist na itong si Lee, pero walang nandun para bantayan si Chua. He was wide open.
They can go for it 2-for-1 here. Let's see how quick
Escoto. Labas kay De La Rosa. Baroka. Saw daylight. Beats the buzzer with a three.
Very entertaining first quarter for Magnolia. They're making the right reads. They're issuing extra passes.
Got the defender on the fake. Throws the ball away. Bearfield hitting the brakes. David will finish with a lefty layup.
Smooth finish. Great fast break attack by Blackwater after being down by as many as 17. Look at them crowding the paint, forcing a turnover, pushing the ball, and Bearfield making the right decision on the break.
7-0 run for the guys in red, and now Blackwater bossing within. Should have been an easy shot for Caperal. Abueva to the rim. And the beast is starting to growl again.
A lot of positive things displayed by Calvin Abueva the moment he stepped inside the basketball court, using his quickness. You anticipate
6 points. Or make that 7 points
yes.
already. Pero sasagutin din naman ang possible 3-point play ni Christian David. Was also made loud noise for Blackwater. He's their leading scorer. Lastimosa. Atake. Gets the layup off the glass.
Weakness advantage that time. Kitang-kita natin yon. Well read. Yung atake na yon ni Lastimosa.
The second period. What changed sa depensa ng bossing?
Sumikip yung ilalim. They were able to force a lot of turnovers, especially on guys trying to roll after ball screen situations. A lot of traffic, but a lot of help side stance. Good start here for Blackwater shooting the first three-pointer, but Lucero, you called him out. Scoreless in the second quarter. Now he scores the first 2 points. Yung nahirapang bantayan itong Blackwater earlier was the way they were using a lot of ball screen movements. And they were knocking shots down from three-point country. Now lamang na sila ng
na nagbigay sa kanila ng 17-point lead. Sanggalang and Lucero starting to hum again, but David stays hot. 23 points now for Christian.
We're seeing a lot of offensive skills.
And Bearfield, as Bearfield just hit a 3. Sanggalang hits it over Ginto.
We talked about maturity and just understanding each other's tendencies and strength. Kinakailangan nila po.
Magnolia, Lucero na naman ang nahanap ni Lee. And it results to the same thing. 2 points para kay Lucero, assist for Lee.
Lethal combination right now. Paulie finding the open teammate. And again, another transition basket. The finisher, save Lucero. Back-to-back hits for him.
Abueva on the run. Ibigay sana kay Laput. Disrupted by Caperal. Tumatakbo naman ang Blackwater and they will finish. Perfectly executed transition attack.
They have to play better basketball in the last 3 minutes. Close this quarter better. We're talking about Blackwater. That is exactly what they're doing. Back-to-back pass in the last 3 minutes. Close this quarter better. We're talking about Blackwater. That is exactly what they're doing. Back-to-back baskets. The lead goes down to 16. Their modest goal should be at the end of this quarter. It should only be 8 points. And they will still have a chance.
Dominated in legs.
Correct.
Pero kung ikaw yung franchise na Magnolia, as celebrated as you are, nanalo ka nga ng Grand Slam ng 2014, kikil ka makabawi.
Kaya kitang-kita rin natin yung level of enthusiasm nitong mga lalaro ito. And yung players ng Magnolia, medyo naiiwanan sila. Lucero many times finishing fast break for two.
Wow!
And wow. Taas ng lobo na yun. Yun ang tinatawag na rainbow shot.
Ang ganda na kasi ng depensa ng Blackwater. Paubos na yung shot clock. Sabi ni Baroka, do not worry. Dati kasi pag putol na line, hanggang dos na lang eh. Fairfield will try to go for 3 a different way.
And they are still fighting. 22 total points for Cedric.
Meron pang 2 rebounds and 3 assists yan si Barox. David hits a 3. 29 points for Christian. Oh, that's a 4-point shot.
Oh, that's a 4. So that
30.
makes it 30. Yes! Anthony Semerad na pag binitawan mo, pagbabayaran mo. But ito naman si Mark Baroka, nagpapakita pa rin.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampyonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Angat ang laban.